Hi, this video is all about answering questions in Google Classroom. So I'm going to show you how to do that today as a student. So first of all, you make sure you're signed on under your student account here and the one we provided for you, and click into your class, whichever one it is. Now, there are two types of questions that will happen within within Google Classroom, and one is just a general question. So if you want to ask a general question, you just type it underneath the thing that you want to comment or ask a question on. If it is someone else's question, and you'd have, sorry, to go back to that one, I'd have to press that blue arrow, but I'm not going to because obviously it's nonsense. For a question that someone else has posted, we really encourage students to answer each other's questions, especially in our older children. So if you see a question that you know the answer to, then you can answer it. So if you see it, all you need to do is go underneath and type in your reply. You need to get a... and then click the blue arrow. Okay, so we actively encourage you to answer questions that you know the answer to, because it will take the load off the teacher if you already know. Also, don't type a question that's already been answered or is waiting there to be answered. Teachers will only answer questions like that, general questions, on Google Classroom between the hours of 6 and 3 on weekdays. Okay, just so you know. The other type of question is a question that looks like this. I'm just scrolling down on the stream here, and it comes up as a blue icon with a question mark next to it on the stream, and you can get to it by clicking on here. You can also get to it by clicking classwork, and you will find them under there. And you can also get to them by clicking these 3 lines at the side and clicking to do. And if you haven't completed it yet, it will be there. And if you have, it will be in there. Okay, I've already completed it in this classroom, but I'm going to show you anyway. So I'm going to click here. Doesn't matter where you click it from, it will look the same way. So here is the question, okay, at the top of here. And you can see it's that question icon there. And the class teacher was the person that posted that question. So you do not answer the question here. You answer the question over here, okay? So I had to click edit then because I'd already typed it. It will look like this for you. Type in your answer. So my Wi-Fi doesn't work. Okay, and then all you need to do is click hand in, and it will send that to your teacher. Now, down here you can see your classmates' replies and also reply to them. Those are only on if the teacher has set them on. So you don't worry if you can't see those buttons. It's because the teacher has decided that she doesn't want everyone to see each other's answers, and she doesn't want you to be able to reply to other people's answers. So you may not see those, but if you do, you can click on them and obviously do either of those things. This button here, this bit down here, is for class comments, and that is the same as on the stream, where you can just type in general comments. Everyone in the class, the Google Classroom, will be able to see those comments, so just be aware of that. And then over here is private comments. Now, I wrote this. Private comments will go only to the teacher. So only the class teacher can see those, and they will be able to write back to you. Okay, you can delete them if you want to once it's typed. But I'm going to leave that in because I'm doing some training. And you can type again another one. So if you put it here, the teacher will see it. If you put it here, everyone will see it. And if you put it in here, that is your actual answer to this question. Okay, I hope that helps. As soon as you've clicked that blue hand in button, it will move on your to-do list. It will move from under to do over to the done section. Okay, so that's the only way to move it is by clicking that button there. Okay, hope this helps. Thanks.